Okay, hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Georgie, and today I'm going to be doing a huge SHEIN try on haul and also like an unboxing because I'm going to Dubai next month, so I ordered a bunch of things from SHEIN. This is like just half of my order, like the other half is coming in a few days. So some of it's like accessories and things that I'll unbox then, and the outfits and bikinis I have I'm going to try on for you guys. First, let's open it. I got these flip-flops. They smell real nice. But yeah, I got these flip-flops. They kind of reminded me of the Hermes ones, like a little dupe. I think they're cute and go with a bunch of outfits. Next, I got these white flare trousers. As I'm not too sure on the rules there, it's going to be my first time. I don't know like how modest you need to dress, so I feel like some white flare trousers you can't go wrong, and you can just throw them on anywhere if you're like in a fun bikini when you shouldn't be or something. Oh, these are so cute, and I actually thought I ordered these in white as well and I didn't, so I need to reorder. But these flower flip-flops, I just love them, and it's so funny because I actually have a hair clip that's exactly like the same flower as that, so it's gonna be so cute. So like I said guys, I've ordered like modest outfits because I don't know how to dress. So if you've been to Dubai before and you know like more about how you can dress, let me know. This is like a long maxi dress that has like this to go over your neck. I actually think this is going to be gorgeous on. The only thing is it definitely needs an iron, but I'll try it on before I iron in case I need to return it, because look at how creased it is. Or maybe like a steam instead. Yeah, I also got this bag for at the beach. It's like really big and spacious, which I love, and sadly it has like this little pocket purse, which is so cute. I'm sure this is like a dupe of something, I'm not sure what though. It's like a Fendi label. But the reason I got this for the beach is I have my Dior bag, and my Dior bag was like almost £5,000. Crazy. And I destroy it at the beach because I actually use it. Like, I would be the perfect owner for a Jane Birkin bag because I use my bags. I don't care like how much they cost, but it's got like sand all in it, damp from seawater, everything, like it's low-key destroyed, so I need to go get it professionally cleaned. And I kind of realised like I shouldn't really be using it that much at the beach, even though it is a beach bag, but maybe don't actually put it on the floor on the sand like I do. So I wanted to get just a cheap one to actually use. Oh, I think I know what this is. Yeah, this is another dress I thought would be nice at dinner. It's like a blue off-white maxi dress. I'm hoping, I feel like I should have sized down in this. I feel like it might be too big. I think it's going to be so nice and hugging on my body. So excited to try it on. Okay, I got this little beach bag. Not beach bag, sorry, evening one. And it's got like a chain, and a shell. I think that's a perfect holiday bag. It's so cute. This top, oh my god, I wish I had the matching shorts. I have ordered them, but it's coming in a separate delivery. But I got this top that I thought with like these beige cargo shorts, and I thought for the safari that would be so sexy and cute. And like I have a bikini. I did order like the perfect cover up for this, but again it's in the other order. But this bikini is so pretty, I think. It's like pink with the white lace. And it is a thong bottom, so hopefully I'm allowed. But yeah, let me go try these on now. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, first up I have the flares, and I must say I do actually love them. Like they're the perfect. I thought I wasn't going to like them. I thought they'd be too sheer or too long. But I feel like they're not even that sheer. I love the waistline here. Like how it's not too high, not too low, and it's very thin. It's definitely giving obviously like beach vibes. I love the pockets. They're like very nice to like move your legs around in, very comfy, but also tight, so they're not like too flared. They're like tight on my thighs, but also they're not hugging me too much from the bottom. Well, I feel like they're very flattering. What do you think? I love them. What do you guys think? Are they swab proof? I think they are. Yeah, I feel like I'll be able to walk around Dubai in these, and like perfect length. Not too long. I'm really happy with these flares. I give them a 10 out of 10. I got a matching shirt, but it's in the other delivery. So yeah, let me go try the next one on. Okay guys, this is the second outfit, and I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it because it's nothing I would normally wear, but I feel like you need to see the vision. I love it. I I feel definitely when it's had an iron or a steam, it needs one. And with my hair down and heels, this is so like nice and like really making modest look cute. Like it's quite figure hugging as well. I did just eat some pasta, so I'm feeling bloated. I feel like it looks so good on my bum. I love the colour as well, so pretty. I like this little part here, you could wear it like that. I wear it like this. And I really like it, it's a lot better than I thought. I think with some gold heels, gold accessories, definitely a steam. This is like a cute outfit for Dubai, what do you guys think? I wish I could show you like the bottom. I would give this a 7 out of 10. Guys, this might be my favourite so far. Like, it's so stunning. I can't wait till I move out and I can give you like a bigger view of like my full outfit, because this is, it's just stunning. Like when you see it down to the floor, it's like changes colour obviously, and I just look like I'm meant to be in the sea like a mermaid. Let me show you. Like, look how pretty that is. You also, I can wear it like that, but you can't really get your shoulders out, I don't think, in Dubai, so that's better. And like, just look at how flattering it is. So nice on the booty too. Squat proof. So comfy to walk in, though the feet is a bit sticky. But I think this dress is stunning. I love it. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. Like the colours, the neckline, it's such good quality. I thought that I ordered a size too big, but it's perfect sizing on me, so I love that. I'm going to try the bikini on next, and then the safari top. Okay guys, this is the first bikini I'm trying on, and I feel like it's been forever since I ordered a new bikini, and I love it. God, I'm not hard to impress, but first of all, I feel like it's making my boobs look really good. Like, look at it, it's just like making it, giving them that push, and like they're coming out here. Love from behind. So cute and simple. The bottoms. Like, I love this like pink with the white lace. I think it's so cute. On the booty, really flattering. I wish it was more of a thong or more of panties, one or the other, because I feel like it's in between. It's still really cute. I feel like I have like the perfect cover up for this. I might do like a second try on haul and show you guys like the whole outfit together, because it's so nice. Yeah, I love this bikini. I'm gonna go try on the top now. Okay, this beige top I got, I imagined wearing this with like the matching colour shorts and like a cargo style shorts in the safari desert, you know, like ATVs or something. But I feel like the vision in my head might have been better. I don't know. I don't know if I love this, but it might just be because I'm trying it on with black joggers now rather than with my outfit vision, so I'm going to wait for it to come before I decide. But I think I do like the top. I just wish it was more, maybe like more like this. You know, I feel like there's a lot of material, unnecessary material. But I suppose I can just tuck that in, to be honest. But yeah, it's not very, doesn't really do anything for you either. It just kind of sits on you. I like that it's quite backless. I don't know if I love this top, but I think it's just because I'm doing it with the joggers rather than seeing it with my outfit. So when the second package comes, I might do another haul and like show you the outfits put together and like my vision. But yeah guys, that's my first part of my SHEIN haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe.